When I grew up, Battlestar Galactica was a show I watched when I was a kid. Battlestar Galactica aired from 78 to 1979. They had one season and 24 episodes. The very first episode aired on September 17th of 1978, and the last episode aired on April 29th of 1979. Really loved the show during that time. I'm guessing this came out probably after Star Wars, and I really loved the Cylon costumes that were in this show, and just really loved it when I was growing up. They only had one season. They did have other spin-offs and stuff like that. They had another one back in the 80s that had one season of like 10 or 12 episodes. But my other favorite thing was the A-Team, and this scene right here coming up that he references the Cylon there. Just love it. Hey everybody, SD Costume Guy, and I have a special package from villainsinlove.com. If you've seen some of my other videos in the past, you know I've got a few pendants from them, and they've been the hockey mask pendants of Friday the 13th, but this one is a special one. It's printed in pure silver, or 92, I think it's 925 silver, something like that, but it's going to be shiny. So this one's actually from the 70s Battlestar Galactica show. That's a Cylon pendant, and I've been wanting this for a while, and I finally had the money to get it printed in silver. And if you know anything about silver, it can be very expensive, so he does have other ways to print it in different types of materials, but I wanted this one in silver. I just thought the Cylon being in silver, just kind of like that chrome look like in the show, would be absolutely fantastic. So, oh, here it is, here it is, here it is. Cylon silver. Man, I'm looking forward to this. If I can get it open. Oh man, I got the largest size that they make it in. I think it's going to be a little bit lighter in weight because it's in silver and not the stainless steel. Oh man. Oh my god. That is so rad. I'm so glad I saved up to get this. Oh my god. And according to Ruben over at villainsinlove.com, I believe I'm the first one to print it out in silver. And this definitely needed to be printed out in silver. Oh, this is so rad. So rad. Wow. Wow, I love it. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to put a chain on this and wear it. Wow, that is so great. Like I said, he does print it out in stainless steel also on a couple other different finishes that are a bit cheaper than pure silver here. But like I said, I think this needed to be printed out in silver for me because the way the costume looks in the Battlestar Galactica show. Wow, that is just fantastic. Definitely love it. Thank you, Ruben, over at villainsinlove.com.